Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen at the Cine Gear Expo LA at the Warner Brothers studio. And we are at the Matthews booth, which has a pretty phenomenal location.
Yes.
And they kicked it up a notch with this huge what?
That's a 12 by math bounce.
And that's keeping you nice and cool,
You know it.
along with that hat.
You know it.
So what do we have today? But before we begin,
Sure.
tell me about the stand I'm using.
So you're using our blacked out combo stand. There's our Hollywood combo. It is all black with black chrome. Black chrome is stronger than standard chrome. It is an amazing coating that's going to keep your stand low profile. It's very tough coating. And then we have it mounted on our big effing wheel set, which is going to let you get over cables, crossovers, over, beat up parking lots, whatever it is. They're going to keep your gear rolling safely. They are foam, so they are not going to get punctured. They have a lock that will lock the rotation and the swivel, so it's going to keep you safe, it's going to keep you rolling, and they're a great wheel set.
So I'd like to thank Matthews for making this job possible, because at outdoor events it's not easy, right?
Yeah.
And NAB was easy, smooth as
Nice and smooth.
But this is I'm putting this to the test, right? Am I like
the real deal? You're on location.
Yep. So this has been to like 3 shows: Atlanta, NAB, and here.
Beautiful.
So it's working.
I love to see it.
So what do we have here?
So this is our middle max arm. This is the only tool of its kind in its size. We have our big max, which is a 17.5-foot reach, but this guy has a smaller loading height as well as 80-pound capacity. So you get out there over 13 feet and you get an 80-pound capacity to be able to get your lights, your grip modifiers, your chandeliers, whatever you need to get them locked in place and have them be easily adjustable. The middle max is going to let you do that.
Is that similar to what this is?
This is the same tool. This is folded up and overhead. You'll see that in B-roll is the really, really awesome extended version at full extension. It will get 18 feet straight up in the air, over 12 feet out, and then it'll go 6 feet below grade. That means that 6 feet below the surface it is standing on, you're going to be able to get a light out there, off a balcony, off of a walkway, whatever it is. You're going to be able to get that guy and be able to position your gear safely exactly where you need it. This is made out of an amazing material that is flexible as well as very structurally sound. It is a 64-inch loading height, meaning that the lowest, shortest van that you have out there will fit this guy. 66 inches was the height that the vans are at, so 64 inches was the perfect height to be able to get this guy so that it can fit into all your Sprinter packages, Ram packages, your Ford Transit, whatever it is. This guy's going to be able to stay with the package and get to where you need it. It has this awesome handle so you can cock it back, move it around. It has these wonderful wheels on the back to get over potholes, cable crossovers, pebbles, whatever it is. It's a location tool to be able to boom your equipment out safely. You can crank it up, crank it down. You can adjust it once it is fully deployed. It's pretty much in a class of its own. There's nothing else that's going to do this trick. And Matthews Studio Equipment has your back. Get in touch with us. Get in touch with your favorite Matthews dealer and get your hands on Middle Max. One thing that we're very, very proud of at Matthews is that once you purchase our equipment, you have begun a relationship. We're not just going to send you off into the world all by yourself. No, we got service and support. We got parts. We got repairs. We understand that this gear is going to take a beating. And when this gear takes a beating, we want to make sure that it's going to be able to be repaired. That it's going to be able to stay out there, getting a return on your investment, being able to safely support your cameras, your lights, your grip modifiers, whatever you're working with. We want to be able to make sure that these stands are going to do the job every time. Get in touch with us. We got the gear. We got everything you need. And give us your ideas. Give us your problems, because that's what we do. We're problem solvers. So come on now, msegrip.com. Reach out to us and come by. Cine Gear 2024. Get your stuff here. We get a hat, get a sticker, get a shirt, We make this stuff proudly in the USA. That's where, right down the road here in Burbank, 14 minutes away. 14 minutes away from here, right down Hollywood Way. You're gonna pass the Frontier Walk. You're gonna keep driving. You're gonna see the airport. You're gonna keep driving a little bit further. You're gonna see San Fernando. Make a left. You're gonna find us there, and we got all the parts. We got all the stands, and guess what? We got stuff in stock. So forget the lead time. Just come pick it up. Bring a truck. Bring your checkbook.
What better company can you choose for a lifetime than Matthews? So thank you very much, and we're going to see you at the next show.
I appreciate it, Walter. Thank you.